welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to finish off, it was like, I don't want to say a little series, but it was just a few videos to show what Gellen had sent. They were so incredibly gracious, and they sent a lot of product for me to kind of do a video with, and I love their polishes, and everything that they sent is just fabulous. So these are the last two boxes of gel polish, and I'm going to swatch them and show you what they look like, and I'm super excited. I'm still excited, so I'm still thanking them. So today's video will be sponsored by Gellen, and again, thank you so much, Gellen, for all of these products. They are amazing. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. All right, so when I did the initial unboxing, I kind of showed you what they look like. So I am going to, oh, that's right, I forgot. They come with their own swatches, which is absolutely amazing. I always have swatches set aside. But anyways, I always forget they have these. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description for these gels, polishes. And then, yeah, so I'm excited because if I remember right, these ones are going to be, these are the reds. Okay, and I love, love, love how this is packaged. Super safe. Okay, put these aside. All right, so, and they're always numbered on top, so you can always find what you're looking for. And then when I get done swatching, I'll take a black Sharpie and I'll write the number inside of here so I know which one's which. And as I go along, I'm gonna try and keep everything in order. Find it easier that way. So I think what I'm going to do is I'll do 4 of them at a time in the lamp. Okay, so this one's going to be 533. Look at that red. That is so pretty. And I appreciate the shape of the brush. It just helps the polish go on so much better. It has that little curve to it. Okay. Okay, this one's 122. Oh, that's pretty. That is like kind of a spring cut. It's like coral, kind of a spring color is what I'm trying to say to me. Very pretty. Okay. And then 057. Ooh, that is, oh, I like that. That is gorgeous. Okay. Just rich. These can be found on Amazon, and they come quickly. Okay, 847. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that pink. This is a color you can never have too much of. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cure these for a full 60 seconds. And then we'll come back and finish the other two. All right, so those are finished curing, and I'm going to go ahead and put these out. I'm going to top coat these when we're done filming, just just to save a few minutes of time. Okay, and then these are the last two out of this kit, and this is $8.96. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh. So, so pretty. Look at that. That is, oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna put that one in the lamp. Okay, this is $8.70. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Woo! These are gorgeous. Look at that glitter. Okay, it does not take much for me to get excited over gel polishes, but these are just, oh, these are beautiful. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these two in the lamp, and I'm gonna cure those for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna come back and we'll do the other kit. All right, so these are cured. Oh my gosh, look at these. Look at that color. That is so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna set these right here. And then we're gonna open up, this is the other kit. So they sent me 4 of the gel polish kits. And gel remover and the gel glue remover. They sent a ton of stuff. Okay, so we're gonna get these out. Okay, like I said, they're all numbered. And I think this is the other blue set. There were 2 blue sets that came. All different polishes, of course. 2 blue sets, okay. I should have taken those out first. They're so noisy. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing that we just did. I'm just trying to make sure these are all set out so you can see them. This is $8.27. Oh, look at that blue. That is vibrant. Okay. $108. Oh, that's pretty. That is just a really creamy white. Okay. $3.12. Oh, that's pretty. Very, very just a light blue. Okay. Trying not to knock over stuff. And then we're gonna do $8.28. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so pretty. Reminds me of the sky at night. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these in the lamp, and I'm going to cure these for 60 seconds. All right, so these are finished curing. This set has like a Christmassy vibe to it, I think. It'd be fun to put snowflakes on those darker colors. Okay, and last two, let's see, 829. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, how fun. Yeah, this one you can put on by itself, or you can put it on top of another color. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. I love how chunky those are. I'm just trying to get them spread out a little bit so that you can see them. Oh my gosh, that is fun. Okay, I'll put that in the lamp. And then we're gonna do 830. I'm running out of room. Okay. Oh, wow, look at that. More glitter. Oh, this has a few different sizes. Very nice. Trying to make that a little bit more even. Very pretty. Okay. And we're going to cure those for 60 seconds. All right, and there we have it. These are the last two gel polish sets that I got from Gellen, and I'm loving all of the polishes. They're absolutely gorgeous. But like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for both of these, and if this is a video that you liked, please comment, share, subscribe, and like. And I'll be back again shortly with another one. Cheers.